Welcome back, guys. Welcome to part 2 of the Canopy build. In this one we're going to we'll be doing the water tank, we'll be doing the ingle, and have a look at this 70 litre water tank with a big top on it, because we're going to have the companion shower, so the submersible pump will go straight in here, and then we can also fill it out of a bucket. So that's what's happening there, and we're going to mount it to the car, the Nissan Patrol. Stig has done an awesome job down here at the Stigs. He just disappeared. He hates the camera. Stig doesn't usually build these, so he's doing us a favour, but he's actually really enjoying it. Don't worry, he hates the camera. So the Stig usually does boats as his go, but I said it's kind of like building a boat but different, but he's really enjoyed doing it. He's done a really great job. Got 3mm sides, doors at 4mm. His little dog just got lost in Carney, just found it. Hey mate, have a look at you, eh? You came back. Whoa. Righto guys, so we're gonna, the tray drop sides are gonna get cut off. The end will get plated. We're gonna put latches on the side. Yeah. We're going to permanent bolt it. We're going to put bolt through the floor and up through the top. How good is that water tank going to be? 70 litres. So we just haven't worked out a outlet yet. We're going to work out. We'll probably put a pantry kitchen in here, maybe. He hates the camera. Hey, can you sing like the other day? Can you sing? I didn't. Yeah, well, you've done a good job, mate. How many litres? 70, you reckon? It'll be about 70. Maybe more. And don't worry, guys. I'm going to paint the rest of the deck as well. There you go, 72 litres. 70 litres we'll call it. Plus I've got 50 litres underneath. So 50 litres underneath. The tap is just gravity fed. I've got a tap under here. But we probably will just see what happens. See if we need a deck wash pump or whatever. So yeah, these lights will get taken off there and they'll get mounted on the back. And mate, also got some vents, so I'll probably put some vents up here. So those vents will probably go up here, eh? We'll put the vents up the top, but I can do that. Yeah. No, the lights will go up here as well, but those vents, hot air risers, eh? The vents. We'll put them up there, up the top. 2005, 4.2. Got extra cab. 310,000 Ks on the clock. I'll do another 300 yet. Yeah. So the little fella shot through, eh? When I turned up, it was all locked up. I rang the Stig. I said, "What are you doing?" He said, "I've lost my dog. I'm looking for my dog." So he was out driving around looking for it. So I just walked out on the street, just started walking down the street, slowly whistling. And the people in the shop next door come out and said, "Hey, mate, did you lose a dog?" I found him straight away. I think the dog likes me now.
Run away, that dog.
So guys, what I was just talking about with the Stig is I might be able to put a box here with the door on it. We put the shower in there with the hoses. So when and I'm going to get a shower awning ensuite. That'll just fold out, open the door up, drop the submersible pump in, hook the shower on. Minute and a half we're having a shower. So hopefully we can put a kitchen slide in here. Yeah, it should be able to. It's a bit over 200. Kitchen slide. So yeah, the spare tyre is now underneath, but I want to put a trundle drawer under there. So it'll go up on there. Still need room on the back, go to the tip, all that sort of thing. We'll never have to worry about table space because these sides will serve as tables. Oh. So yeah, we bolted it down. Now you guys know that I'm always at the boat ramp. This can be parked at the boat ramp sometimes for 3 or 4 days, and I didn't want to put the quick hitch with latches down in case I'll be worrying about someone stealing it. So I reckon it's a lot harder to take now that it's all bolted down. Now let's talk about when your dog took off. And I found it. How long were you looking for it for? 1 hour. I found it. How long did I take? 2 minutes.
Yeah, you used to find a dog.
I'm the dog. He's funny. I'm the dog whisperer. Look, he comes straight over. Hey. How come you call him crab bait? That's a bit mean. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Get the solar panel up on top. It'll run long ways. Because I am going to put a ladder rack over the back, and I do have a 30-second Oz tent, which is 2 meters long when folded up, so that will sit up on top. And also we want the shower ensuite to fold out, and maybe one day, maybe is we might put a 180 degree awning or something on it, but I don't know if we really need that yet. Honky dory.
Might have to tighten up your little thingy a bit.
Like that, you reckon? Yeah, that's all right.
Might have to tighten up.
Yeah, that's good. The door, put the door down. Oh, yeah, it's got deeps, eh? Deeps.
Put that there, and then we'll have to tighten that little thing.
Beautiful.
Use that last one, can't we? Not the first one. We've got to wind this back. I've nearly reached the end of my fucking toilet. Oh, there's the problem.
The only other thing you could do is put a little tab on here, on the toolbox, so it pushes up against the tab as it shuts, you know? Good idea. See, Carney's got a lot of good ideas. Hey, Carney he can find dogs too. Yeah.
I don't know if I can get a bit more on that.
So it's got a little bit of movement, so we're just going to put a tab on the inside here so it hits up against the tab, and we're going to make the tab a little bit higher, so then we can run the chain for when we're going to have the table. Have a chain on it. So whoa, have a look at that. That is so splendid. Yeah, that's the go, eh? Oh, hey, I'm ideas, man, aren't I? That's bloody brilliant. That's brilliant, eh? That is splendid. That is solid. Hey, how good does that look? That is solid. 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 What a beast. What a beast. Gee, you done a good job, mate. Oh, you clean too, eh? Right, see? Takes it all off. Yeah, I'll paint it all up. Get insulation and put insulation in these, get all the wiring done first. Pantry slide in here, probably put some sort of a shelf slide over that side. Get some lights in here. We'll get some, what do you call it around the outside?
Pretty sticky.
Roof, right?
Pretty sticky.
Thanks, mate. Awesome job, eh? Awesome job. He likes the camera now. Beautiful. All right, thank you very much. Cheers, eh? Yeah. See you, dog. It's a hard job when you've been out socialising. Right, mate. See you. Alright guys, thank you very much if you watched it this far. Like, comment, share, subscribe. He's a legend. There'll be part 3 out in a little while. We're not going to afford it. So, and then we'll be doing the lithium battery and a few different other things, putting the insulation in, pantry slide, drawer slides, lights around the back. We'll do a completion one. That'll be a little while. Gotta go fishing next week. But yeah, guys, very, very happy with the job. Stig's done an awesome job. If you want to get one made, got any inquiries, want to do a bit of welding on your boat, come down and see the Stig. Easy to find. Green poles out the front of the shop. Just call in and see him. Hopefully the little dog's here. Cheers, legends. Hey, I've got an idea, right? I've got an idea. So if we do an outlet here, and then we can run it across onto here, plumb it up to here with a tap. You open the gate. So then I can drop this down, and then you've got a tap out here. The possibilities are endless. It's all about having something that nobody else has got, just a little different, quirky. You got to have something quirky.
Get on there, you bastard.